Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. If you have a screw application and you want to cover the head of the flat concave screw, we have a solution for you. They're called the Premium Screw Covers. We're going to demonstrate it in this video. Here we're using a flathead wood screw. Insert the screw into the included Premium Screw Cover base. Now we can drive the screw through the solid surfaces that we want secured. Now place the Premium Screw Cover over the base and give it a gentle tap with a mallet. Our sample piece is a piece of wood with luxury woven flooring that is now secured with a screw and the Premium Screw Cover. These covers are available in black and also white. They can be used with the flathead wood screw, self-tapping screw, or even machine screw. They are available in 3 different sizes to accommodate different flathead screws, from number 4 all the way up to 1/4 20. The Premium Screw Covers are sold with the base and the cap and are sold in 10 or 100 packs. Order the Premium Screw Covers in either white or black in various sizes for different size flathead screws from Sailrite today. If you have any questions, be sure to give us a call. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sailrite, thanks for watching.